my name is Liz and I work at the Squim branch of the North Olympic Library. And this is my daughter Adele. And today we're going to do an action rhyme about sneezing. Because it's cold and flu season, right? And one way to really help your kids have good healthy habits is to make it fun, is to do a rhyme or make it a game. So of course when we sneeze, we need to cover it so our germs don't get spread all over. So you can sneeze into your elbow, you can sneeze into your shirt like that. You could do both of your arms, make a little tent like that. So practice different ways you can sneeze when you do this rhyme. Here we go. Farmer's nose tingles, farmer's nose twitches, she is going to sneeze. Choo! Choo! Ah-choo! And then we've got the farmer. What other animals are on the farm? Yeah? Should we do a cow? Cow's nose tingles, cow's nose twitches, she is going to sneeze. Moo-choo! 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 What other animals should we do? Adele's favorite animal is a cat. Can you say cat? That's the only word she's saying right now. So we could do a cat. Cat's nose tingles, cat's nose twitches, she is going to sneeze. Meow-choo! 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 Oh, I got my glasses. Is that a fun one? You like it? All right, that's all we have for you today. I hope you stay healthy. Bye.